In this superpayme review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money by filling out surveys on this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if this website is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So superpayme is basically a GPT style website. So GPT means get paid to do certain tasks, surveys, or maybe reach certain milestone in order to get the payment. So the cool thing about superpayme is that it's available worldwide. So many survey company, they basically focus on tier 1 countries, which is the US, UK, Canada, countries like that. But apparently superpayme is available worldwide. I think a few countries are not available. So you have to check it by clicking the join for free. You can see the countries that has been listed. I think a few countries are not available, but overall it's a global website. Anyone anywhere can access this website. So that's the cool thing I like about it. So as soon as you get into this website, you're going to be getting a $1 joining bonus. And in order to get paid, you just have to get to one more dollar. So once you get one more dollar, you can immediately withdraw from this website. So the way you can make money is that you can complete these surveys and also do certain offers. So they have a bunch of offer walls. In that way you can make more money, and you can play games, and also you can watch videos. I want to recommend that don't go for the videos, because videos don't generally pay a lot of money. They are on a very low end. Maybe you'll make like 1 cent or less than 1 cent for a particular video. So that's actually really low. But if you look at the games, you can reach to a certain level. You have to download the game, you have to reach to a certain level, and then you will get paid. So it's like really time consuming. The problem is that they will have a threshold, like you have to complete to level 50 or level 100 in order to maybe get like $1 or $2. But it's really time consuming. That's the problem. So the main way you can make money is through surveys, which will pay you about 10 cents to up to $1 for every survey that you complete. It's going to take you about a minute or maybe up to 30 minutes for every survey that you do, and you are going to be getting some offers, trials and games. Basically you have to download a game or download a particular app, and you have to fill in your credit card details, things like that, and you're going to be getting paid for the actions that you're going to be doing. So that's how you can make money with superpayme. So if you ask me how much money you can be making every single day, the question for that is that it really depends. So for some people, you can be earning anywhere about $1 to $2 if you spend about 3 to 4 hours every single day. But whereas for some other people, you can be potentially making about $10 to $15 every single day. It really depends on who you are. Maybe if you're from a place in the world where a lot more surveys, a lot more offers are given, you can be potentially earning about $10 to $15. So if you're from a tier 1 country, it's probably very easy to make $10 or $15 every single day. And maybe if you're not from a tier 1 country, you are potentially going to be getting a few less surveys. See, it really depends. It's not about the country, but it's about who you are. So once you join the survey website, make sure you fill in all the profile, make adequate amount of time and fill the profile properly. And the way that they pay out is through PayPal. They mainly pay out through PayPal, but they also have Amazon gift card, Venmo and Skrill, which is actually good. But I think majority of the people would love to get PayPal. So as soon as you get $1 threshold, you can easily withdraw. and also they are working with these top survey providers. So most of you guys must already know all of this. So they are working with CPX Research, which is a big company, which is a big survey website, survey providing website. So that's great. Then you have your surveys, then Dynata, then Lucid, all these companies. So overall, I think this website is pretty good. But even if you're making about $10 per day, it's only going to equate to about $300, or maybe if you're lucky you will get up to $400 per month. But it's not enough to replace your full-time income. It's not a life-changing money or anything like that. So that's basically it for this video of superpayme. I also would like to show you the Trustpilot score. It has got almost 3,600 reviews with a 3.7 star review, which is not that much. It should be at least 4 star for a decent website, I would say, but 3.7 star is not bad. The 1 star reviews are pretty low, so I guess it's pretty okay. For a survey website, I think it's only 8%, rest 5 star is almost 76%. So overall, I think superpayme is a totally legit website. I know for a fact it has been there for a lot of time, but it's not going to change your life or anything like that. If you're out here looking for a mate to make full-time income, maybe make 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, I have a strategy that has personally helped me. If you want to get this free affiliate marketing guide, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.